How to turn delayed gratification into instant gratification. That's what we're going to be talking about today. But before we get into that, please make sure you hit that like button because it does help the channel grow. It does help me in my journey to, get to that 10K. It looks like we're closing in on the 10K. Help me get there by hitting the like button and hit the links down below because they will get you some free money. Plenty of links down there. We got Webull, we got Robinhood, we got credit card signups. You could easily make up to about $300 by going down there. But anyways, let's get into the video. The thing that I would like you guys to do out there today to make delayed gratification turn into instant gratification is program some dates into your calendar. The first set of dates is not so fun, okay? But the second one will be a little bit more fun. The next one will be the most fun. So the first one I want you to program into your calendar is when all of your bills are due, okay? So that could be your mortgage, your rent, your phone bill, all of those things. And what I want you to put in there in addition is your credit cards, but not just when it's due. I want you to put in the statement date. Why do I say the statement date? The statement date is when your credit card statement is generated, okay? So whatever is the balance on the statement date, that's how much it's gonna register, that's how much it's gonna send to the credit bureaus, and that's what's gonna actually affect your credit score. So programming in those statement dates, that'll help you get a better credit score. So what you want to do is you want to pay off your credit card in full right before that statement date. If you haven't paid your credit cards off, that's all good too. We are all at different stages in our financial journey. Next thing I want you guys to program into your financial calendar is when you are going to receive your dividends. So this one is actually more fun. This one gives you something to look forward to. And this one starts to turn that delayed gratification into instant gratification because then you're looking forward to it. And it has the extra added psychological effect of making you not want to sell those stocks because if you sell them within a certain range of time, you will not receive that dividend and then your calendar basically becomes void. So for me, I've got my job programmed in there. So 1st and 15th, I know I'm getting paid for my job, but then interspersed throughout the month, I've got all of these other checks that are coming in and it just feels good to see all those interest checks coming in from my bank, all those dividend checks coming in from those companies. And it just feels good. It feels more like instant gratification because every day I'm getting paid. The last thing that I want you guys to set up is a passive income tracker. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of my own passive income tracker. Right now I'm at about $120 a month on my passive income tracker, and I know exactly when those checks are coming in. So if I were to just quit my job right now, I would make about $120 a month of passive income, and that just feels nice. That's a little cushion to fall back on. If you lost your job, you would be $120 further away from economic ruin. So anyways, hopefully that helps you guys out. I hope that you guys are excited about it as I am, as far as the dividends, the passive income, getting towards retirement, and more important than retirement, financial independence and financial freedom. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.